These little blue wonders are packed with antioxidants और ये हमारे ब्रेन को सुपरचार्ज करते हैं. ये हमारी मेमोरी को इम्प्रूव करते हैं और हमें ज़्यादा स्मार्ट बनाते हैं. Hi, I'm Dr. Reena Jain, naturopathic nutritionist, and today I'm going to talk about amazing benefits of blueberries. क्या आपको पता है ब्लूबेरीज हमारी आँखों के लिए सुपर हीरो है. They have super power जो हमारी आँखों को हेल्दी रखता है और एज रिलेटेड
Introducing the timeless beauty of frankincense oil, a natural treasure with countless benefits for mind, body, and soul. For centuries, frankincense has been revered for its calming and grounding properties, making it perfect for relaxation and stress relief. Indulge in the soothing aroma as it enhances your meditation or spiritual practices, creating a sacred atmosphere that elevates your. Unlock the secrets of radiant skin. Frankincense oil has astringent properties that help tone and tighten the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and blemishes. Breathe in the goodness. Inhale the delicate vapors to support your respiratory health, clearing congestion and promoting easier breathing. Experience relief naturally. Frankincense oil, with its analgesic properties, can provide comfort for both minor aches and pains, soothing both body and mind. Drift off into tranquil dreams. Let the calming effects of frankincense oil create a restful atmosphere, promoting a peaceful night's sleep.
This little blue fruit can make
Discover the power of frankincense oil, a timeless gift from nature that nurtures your well-being.
Thank you.
Try it today and unlock